Hello everybody again, and yes, we are now going to install this GPU. It's an Intel Arc B580 from Sparkle. So here you see it, Sparkle B580 Titan. It's 12 gigabytes. So we are going to install this. We are going to install this here. It's not difficult. We disconnected the power. So we slide it in like that. But before we do that, we have to make some space here. So we first go to do that. Here you see some metal cap, and if you want to install that here, we have to make space here. So this is the metal. Yes. Voila. So now we have some space. That's one thing. But I believe it is 2 slots. This is already one. So we check that. No, we do not need to remove another one because this is good. So we use that. Do not force things. Make sure it fits. Voila. This is good. This is very good. So it's already put into place. We also have to connect the power cable, and that's this. So I do that. Voila, like that. So it has power, and the most important thing also is to do not forget to put the screw here into it. Yeah, now it's a little bit, how do you say it, locked. Yes, voila. So we go to put also a screw into it. I first check if this fits. Normally it should fit, but this one is too big, I see. Maybe I can use such thing. No, that's also not good, I think. Is this good? No, that's not made for it. No, that's not good. I try another screw. Maybe it works like this. I'm not sure. Yes, it can work. It sure does work like this. Yes, this is good. And then here we have another screw that we can make. Yes. Okay. Then I check for another screw. Maybe I can use this. Voila. Voila. With 2 screws mounted, it shouldn't get loose or something like that. It looks good. It seems to fit. No, and then we close it with that. Voila, it's okay like that, and then we still have to power up the thing. And yeah, then we go to see if it fits, if it's completely okay. It should be no problem. Make sure always that the connector is completely connected, that it is fully, that it does not, if it does not connect fully and it only connects maybe over like one from the 8 pins, and all the electricity goes via one pin, and then it will overheat and then your cable will melt. So take caution that you do connect these completely okay, because if you do not, then you have a problem. It can catch fire, and that's not what we want. So make sure that it's properly aligned, properly seated. All pins have to make a connection with each other. Nothing has to be different. So anyway, you now saw how we connect this. We also go to put other cards into it, but this is now that, and the rest we go to do later. We now go to boot up the system again, and then we go to see if the Sparkle Intel Arc B580 works how it has to be. Yeah. So I see you soon. I see you back in a few minutes.